Hi, I'm Chef Robert, and today I would like to show you how to make hard-boiled eggs with tender whites and golden yolks every time. Before we begin, remember, always wash our hands before cooking. Here's what we'll need: 8 large eggs, water, salt and pepper, a medium pot with a lid, slotted spoon. Our first step, we're going to place our eggs in the pot. We're using cold water. We'll cover it just about an inch past the top of the eggshell. And one of the reasons we want to make sure that we cover it with enough water so that the white will stay white. You can get a brown effect if you don't have enough water in here. Have you ever seen hard-boiled eggs with a green rim around the egg yolk? It occurs when the eggs are cooked far too long or at too high of a temperature. As soon as the pot starts to boil, remove it from the burner and cover the pan. Let the eggs stand in the hot water for about 9 minutes for medium, 12 minutes for large egg, 15 minutes for extra large. I'll come back, check on our eggs in a minute, and we'll go to the next step. Now that we're back and our eggs are boiling, we'll now turn them off. Remove them from the heat, place the lid on, and we will let that set for 12 minutes. We'll come back, we'll have the perfect boiled egg. Okay, 12 minutes is up and we're back. One safety tip: when you're boiling something, you want to lift your lid away from you to keep the steam from coming directly at you. Now, you can cool these off by draining them and then running water over them. Or what we're going to do is bring in an ice bath. Move some of this out of the way. And we're going to use a slotted spoon and carefully put them in. Don't splash yourself. While these are cooling, let's open up one and see what happens. See if we came out with that perfectly boiled egg. Bring our little plate. Have a little bowl. Just kind of crack it all around there and loosen it up. You also have a little bowl of water to rinse off any added eggshells. As a kid, I used to have to do dozens and dozens of these for our catering service. So I'm having a little flashback. Okay, we've rinsed all the shells off. Let's see what we have here. Oh man, look at there. Wow, let's give it a test. A little seasoning. Man, I'm excited. Perfect. Delish. Not overcooked, not undercooked. Great protein, great snack, great meal. And remember, I did 8 eggs as part of the demonstration. Feel free to do 1 egg, 2 eggs, or as many eggs as you need. Thank you for watching and happy cooking, everyone.